Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video, we will go over setting up a hypothesis activity in D2L. Before getting started, we will require a PDF that has been run through Optical Character Recognition (OCR) software. Hypothesis offers such a tool at docdrop.org/OCR. Additionally, we will also need to ensure that the PDF is already on the sharing platform of our choice, or we have a link to the webpage or YouTube video. Let's get started. First, go to the Content tab of a D2L course. Next, in a module, click on Add Existing Activities. Click on Hypothesis Reading in the menu that appears. A pop-up will appear with several options. In this demo, we will use PDF on Google Drive. When we select Google Drive, we may get a pop-up asking us to choose the Google account we want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Google account to Hypothesis. After that, the pop-up will update and show the PDFs we have in Google Drive. Additionally, we can search for a PDF or upload a PDF. When we have found the PDF we want to use, we need to select it. Then click on the Select button. Note that we may need to grab the gray bar on the right of the pop-up and drag it down to see the Select button. The pop-up will again update. On this page, we can change the PDF, give the assignment an appropriate name, and make it a group assignment. When we are done, we can click on Continue in the lower right corner. When we do, we should see a new activity has been added to the module. Click on it. This will open a new tab. On the left will be the article. On the right, we will have the annotations and discussions area. To annotate or highlight a certain part of the text, click and drag your cursor over the text. We will be presented with two options. Annotate will allow us to create a comment. Highlighting will allow us to highlight the text. Other tutorials are available on the Canisius Hypothesis Wiki page, which will also be available in the description. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.